Okay, today you guys are going to be working on the webbing page from your work packet. So, we are going to be answering the questions what, why, when, who, and where. And so have your article, your stress awareness article ready in front of you to look at so that you can answer the questions as I read them. And also, if you need to pause the video before you answer each question, feel free to do so. So as always, we start with the first question, what? So the question is, what did we read about? What did we read about? What was the title of our article? And if you can't remember, that's okay. Go and look in your article. So what did we read about? We read about Stress Awareness Month. That was the title of our article. So we would say the article that we read about was Stress Awareness Month. And if you can, it would be great if you could repeat after me so we can work on speaking in full sentences, just like we do in school. So I'll say that again. The article we read today was Stress Awareness Month. So let's answer the who next. Who did we read about? Who was in our article? Was it school counselor, school, learn about stress, or April? What do you guys think? The answer is school counselor. And so, like I said before, for school counselors, we have 3 school counselors at our school. A 6th grade counselor, Mr. Dale, 7th grade counselor, Miss Gibson, 8th grade counselor, Miss Drana. And so we have school counselors that we can talk to, and also our school social worker, Mr. Waters, if we are feeling stressed. Where? Where is our counselor? Where is our social worker? Are they at school? Learn about stress, or April? Where? They are in school. So we can say the school counselor works at our school. And what school are we at? We are at Biz Valley Middle School. Some of you guys are 8th graders. You're leaving us. All right. Our next question we'll answer is when. When is Stress Awareness Month? Stress Awareness Month is in April. April. Stress Awareness Month is in April. And then our last question asks why? Why are we reading about Stress Awareness Month? Why? We are reading about Stress Awareness Month to learn about stress. And so for those of you who have an AAC device, you can definitely also look up some of these terms on your talker. You can look up April, the month. You can look up school counselor. You can definitely find school on your talker. All of these are, maybe not all, but a fair amount of these you should be able to find on your talker just to practice working with it. We'll review this one more time. This week we read about Stress Awareness Month. The article was about school counselors. School counselors work at schools. Stress Awareness Month is in the month of April. And we read about Stress Awareness Month to learn more about stress.